Effects of force. Hello students. We know that a force is an action of push or pull acting on an object. In this video, we will observe the various effects of force on an object. When we push or pull a door at rest, the door moves. Here, we can say that force changes the door's state of rest to a state of motion. Similarly, when a football in motion is stopped by the goalkeeper, he changes the ball's state of motion to state of rest. Hence, we can say that force can change the state of motion or the state of rest of an object. Now, consider a chef pressing dough with his hands. Can you guess what would happen to the dough? Yes, you guessed it right. The initial shape of the dough changes due to the force applied to it. Similarly, can you guess what would happen when we stretch a rubber band by pulling it from both ends? The length of the rubber band would increase. So, from the two examples, we can say that force can change the shape and the size of an object. Now, consider a ball that is bowled straight to a batsman, which he hits to his right. Here, the ball's direction of motion changes due to the force applied by the batsman using his bat. Similarly, when a football player receives a pass and strikes it immediately, the direction of the motion of the ball changes. Hence, we can say that force can also change the direction of motion of an object. Now, consider a football moving slowly on a field. Here, the speed of the football is less. When a player hits the ball with a greater force, the ball starts to move faster. Hence, the speed of the ball increases. Similarly, the speed of the ball decreases when the goalkeeper catches the ball while saving the goal. So, we can say that force can increase or decrease the speed of an object. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. A force applied on an object has the following effects. It can change the state of motion or the state of rest of an object. It can change the shape and the size of an object. It can change the direction of motion of an object. It can increase or decrease the speed of an object. Bye-bye. Happy learning!